What if you can address all of your child support issues and recalibrate your whole life? Pay the child support according to your current ability to pay, which is the rules that the court has in place for you. I'm Joe Farley, your men's life coach here at Friends of Fathers, where we have a motto stating strengthening men and empowering fathers. We say strengthening men and empowering fathers because fathers are already strong. We're just trying to strengthen them and empower them with education, advocacy, and providing different resource services to help enhance the quality of life. Now, I want to tell you something. When I say strengthen them and empower them and enhance the quality of life, I'm not just talking about the child support. Guys, do you know that when you are addressed with child support issues, most men have intimidation about the amount that they have to pay? I've had professionals come to me that have been television journals working for Fox News, and they've said, man, I don't want to make too much more money because the more money I make, the more money she gets. But kind of listen to what you just said. If you make $50,000 now or $30,000 now, but she will get more if you make 60 or 100, or guess what? $500,000. Isn't that more for you? And doesn't that increase your lifestyle and most importantly, your ability to do what you need to do based on your current talents and gifts that God has created you to have? I'm trying to tell you guys, hey, I don't give a darn about she's going to get more money. What I really care about is that you increase your life. This child support system has put a blinder over your eyes that you think that, hey, I cannot make a lot of money because she's going to get more money. But guess what, guys? If you're tapping into your gifts and your talents, you're making more money. And most of all, you're tapping into your gifts and talents so that you can be a better person than God has created you to be. So I'm encouraging guys. Yeah, she might get more money, but guess what? Her more money comes to an end when those kids turn 18. When they turn 18, that means that she don't get any more money from you. So that means that you have practiced being the man of God that you've been called to be. And now you're making more money forever because you have exercised your strength and empowered yourself as a father. Now you're making more money and you're basically in a better career or better situation in life. I want to encourage you guys. We have a plan of action. That plan of action, I'm going to tell you this. The plan of action is going to give you your 1, 2, 3 step on what you need to do to address your back child support, your parenting time, your custody, and of course, for any of you that have minor children that are under the age of 18, guess what? You want to modify it according to your current ability to pay. And also remember that the Friendly Court has a program which they basically every 36 months, they will review your income to determine if you should pay more money for child support. But they have to legally ask the other side to provide their proof. And if you know that woman is out there doing hair, doing hair on the side, or she can be selling Avon, she can be doing all kinds of other different means of income. If you know about it, you better be about it and tell about it inside of your motion. So in your plan of action, it's going to be a 1, 2, 3 step on how to address your child support issues. It's a lifestyle. So what? You got to pay child support. But guess what? The further you go up in your talents and gifts, the further your income goes up. But one day, her child support would be eliminated. Why? Because the child turned 18 and it's all over. It's all over. Yes, it's all over. I'm Joe Farley, your men's life coach. I've been serving you fathers since 2007. We have done an awesome job. 97% of our fathers have been very, very, very successful in navigating through the child support system. I think I need to go ahead and talk to, Ford Mercury and get me a navigator and advertise navigation through the child support system. This is your boy Joe Farley, your men's life coach, the principal life coach. If you're interested in getting more information about how we navigate through the child support system, please like all of our social media pages, like this page as well. Share the information. You guys know, all of y'all know, if you share the information, the algorithm will be picked up inside of the systems, of the social media world. And then we will spread the word. And you guys can actually get the help and be aware of the help. I'm Joe Farley. I've been here since 2007, helping many fathers address their life issues. Trust us. Get started addressing your life issue with Friends of Fathers, where we are strengthening men and empowering fathers. Make sure you visit our website at friendsoffathers.com. Friendsoffathers.com. Also, you can call us 313-983-0044. Again, 313-983-0044. I'm Joe Farley, the principal life coach. My company and my team is here to help you to navigate through the friend of the court. All right, Mr. Ford, I'm talking about navigate through the friend of the court. This way, we can probably get us a navigation, truck, utility truck, so that we can roll up out there and get a navigator, put Friends of Fathers, sponsored by Navigation or Mercury or Ford Motor Company. I am soliciting. I'm asking you. Help us out. I don't care, Mr. Ford, if you can give us a used one. Let us help navigate the fathers through the friend of the court. Guys, I'm going to tell you, you need to navigate through the friend of the court. And you can start with the plan of action. Start with the plan of action. We have a special discounted program that's going to be coming up soon. You want to register. Don't wait, because I'm only doing a certain amount of people so that I can give the quality of service to these fathers that need the service, that's serious about addressing your issues. So all of you fathers that are employed by the automotive company, all you fathers that are basically on state assistance, this is the time you get our services and follow the steps, 1, 2, 3 step on how to navigate through the child support system. Again, I'm Joe Farley with Friends of Fathers, founder and president, and my team and I are waiting to help you. Don't wait too long. God bless you. Make sure you visit our website, friendsoffathers.com, and all of our social media pages. And share this information with your brothers that also are fathers. God bless you. Have a good one.